Dear subscribers, they'll tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So it's just Facebook app not opening on your iPhone, so how you can also fix it. So first thing you can try to go to the settings. In the settings you just open general. In the general just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if you still have the server, so you can also just try to fix it in another way. So just try to go to the settings. In the settings just open general. In the general just open software update, and if you see here available updates, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So, and the latest option you can try to go to App Store. Just go to search tab. In search tab just write here Facebook, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until to successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.